Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be diving into the new ColourPop California Love palette. And when I saw this palette on Trend Mood, I fell in love. So, needless to say, I had to purchase this. It was the only thing that I did purchase from that collection. So if you want to see how I got this look, go ahead, keep on watching. I look crazy. Anyways, I have already primed my eyes using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I am loving this eye primer. This is so awesome. I've already done my face makeup because I just want this to kind of be an eyes only tutorial. So I just have my Fenty Beauty lavender powder sitting under my eyes here so I don't get any fallout. We're going to be using the ColourPop California Love palette. When I saw this palette, I knew I had to have it. It's like all the warm tones that I love and I'm obsessed with, and there's a glitter right here, and then there's a couple of like foils, especially this one, Diego. So good. So there's not really a brow bone highlight color, so I'm just gonna go in with this skin tone highlight shade that I use under my eyes every so often. This is Makeup Forever H104. So I'm going to take that onto my tear duct area. I did not set this eye primer down because it's supposed to be a lot like the P. Louise, and I still love the P. Louise as well. I'm trying to decide which one I think is better, and I'm having a hard time deciding which one's better. So first I'm going to grab my Morphe JH30 brush, and I'm going to go in with this color right here called the Bay. Just building this up as my transition shade here in the crease. And it is blending very nicely. Always take my transition down further here and then kind of push it out. I hope that's translating on screen. And then I'll go back in with some of that translucent powder and stamp that out. So I feel like I want to brighten this part up just a little bit more. So I'm going to grab the yellow shade called Sequoia. Now I'm just going to take the tiniest bit and just kind of go slightly over that. And you can see it just adds that little extra pop and dimension of being like too in your face. Now I'm going to take my JH30 brush. And first I'm going to go in with the color Gold Rush. And I'm going to start packing this on to like the outer half of my eyelid. And building that up into the crease. Again, I'm pushing it down first. And then I will go in and kind of start blending that out. Now I'm going to grab my M506 brush, and I'm going to go in with the color Mission. I'm going to take Mission. Woo! Oh my gosh. That is pigmented. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm going to brush this off. I just have my little Ulta color switch thing over here. And I'm just going in with like nothing on my brush after cleaning that up and blending that out just a tiny bit more. I'm going to grab a little more of that Gold Rush and just help to use that to blend it out, diffuse it. And I definitely do have some fallout right here. So I'm so glad that I put that powder on. Fallout isn't something that really bothers me though, you guys. I just always, you just brush it off after. Sometimes if it's like black, it'll leave those marks, but for the most part, it's usually okay. The color that is like calling my name out in this palette, even more than the glitter, because this is my first palette with like a pressed glitter in it from ColourPop. Is this one right here. and it's called Diego. And I'm going to go in with my JH41. And I'm going to go in with it dry because I want to see how this performs dry. I don't even like what things... Are you for serious right now? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay. I am definitely impressed. I mean, look at even just that line that I just created to kind of like cut the crease a little bit. Oh my gosh. Let me just see how that does with a finger. A finger. OMG. Okay. Living for that foil. Again, I'm just gonna take a little bit of that Gold Rush and go on the edge just to help blend it. I think if I look back on my videos, that's the thing that I wish I would do more. Just to help the overall blend process. Next, I'm gonna grab a little sponge tip here and I'm gonna go in with a Captain. That's the glitter shade. And I'm gonna apply it with this and see if that nope, mission abort. It's staying on the sponge. It's not even coming off. So let's see. And just try my finger. Not really coming off of my finger either. Yeah, it's coming off more than it did on the sponge though. I don't want it to be like crazy glitter. I just want it to be like, bam, I'm here. Look at me. Let's try it with the brush. I'm gonna go in with that same JH41. Okay, it's definitely picking up more. Okay, there we go. That's the key, people. Use a brush. So now that that has been laid down, what I want to do next is I'm going to go in with my Lash Liner magnetic liner. I'm going to grab my mascara. This is the Milk Cosmetics Kush Waterproof Mascara. I'm just going to brush this bake away. Okay, and now that that has had a moment to dry down a little bit, I'm going to take these DODO 307 lashes that I have turned into magnetic lashes. If you want to see how to make your own magnetic lashes, leave that magnetic emoji down below and I'll show you. But just going to go ahead and pop these on real quick. Seriously, it's the easiest thing ever. Ever. I want something more in the just kind of nudie vibe. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Partey blush. This is the one I got like with a birthday gift or something. I don't remember. Came from Sephora, I know that. So I don't know if it was like a limited edition color or not, but I really like it. I wanna touch up my brows here just really quick. So now I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to take my 041 brush, and I'm going to take Highway 1 first, and I'm going to just take that onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take my JH37 and I'm going to dip back into Sequoia and take that right along the outside of that, if I can talk. One last step. I'm going to take my M410 and I'm going to go back in with Mission here, and I'm just going to line like the outer half to 2/3, 2/3 of my lower lash line. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face, trying to decide how I feel about this, and it just drenched. Why did it come out so strong? Whew. It is strong in a lot of areas. I feel like I need a golden highlight. I'm going to take my Ofra highlighter in the color Rodeo Drive, right? Yep. Okay, I can commit. And then of course I'm gonna grab my glazed donut highlighter, and this is on my E36 brush. All my brushes are from Morphe, unless they say otherwise. I'll hop in this on the tear duct. And then I'm going to take my MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. Now I'm going to grab my Morphe lip liner in the color Foolish. Fixed it. Okay, now I'm going to take my Jeffree Star liquid lip in the color Mannequin. Alright, and that's it. This is the look that I came up with the ColourPop California Love palette. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below, and subscribe. I'd love to have you here. And yeah, until next time, I'll see you a little later. Bye.